To redeem a Meta Quest gift card, start by opening the Meta Quest app and signing in. You can choose to connect your headset at this point, or proceed if it's already connected. Next, tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then select the Settings option, which is represented by an icon. In the Settings section, you'll find the option to redeem a store code, located below the subscriptions. Tap on this option, and a space will appear where you can enter your gift card code. Access your gift card, enter the code correctly, and then tap the Submit button, which will light up once the code is entered correctly. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Meta Quest gift card. This process is straightforward and simple to complete, and it's a convenient way to access the content and features available on the Meta Quest platform.